Hello everyone, welcome back to the day 10 of Flow Yatra. Oof, I was going on a walk from Coimbatore towards Ooty. Firstly, I have to catch the bypass towards Annur, and then I can go 100 kilometers towards Ooty. So I just stopped in the middle to take a break under the shade of the tree. This is the tree, and this is my bag. I've got some bananas with me that I eat on the way while I'm riding, just to make sure that I have enough sugar in my body to sustain that energy levels. But I want to complain about the day 10 of Flow Yatra that I'm not having a lot of fun today. It's it can be attributed to a lot of things because last night I was hosted by somebody in Coimbatore. He was very kind enough to let me sleep in his house. So he was around a couple of years younger than me, so I think he was very intrigued about how my mindset is around at this point of time in my life. And he wanted to build his own company, he wanted to start up, and he had all this chaotic mind, chaotic thoughts that I don't know what to do. And I'm like, this is the kind of question that I don't have an answer to, that I don't know, I can't tell you, I can't give you clarity in one day when it took me around close to 1800 days to get to this kind of clarity, right? So although he had a lot of questions, I was patiently answering to all of those questions, but at the end of the day, it drained the shit out of me because he was getting into my mind with all these questions that like, did I make a mistake to sleep in here? But it is not a mistake. He actually like gave me a comfortable space, a nice fan, right, access to the bathroom where I took a shower today for the second time in these last 10 days. So all in all, I think it was good that he hosted me, but the amount of energy and the amount of explanation I did to him about my life yesterday, oof. I think people can drain out people even without any effort. Like, we were just sitting, I didn't consume any energy to talk to him, but he drained out all my energy out. And that is true in real life as well. When we are living with people with close in a close network, some people can be really toxic and they can drain your energy out. And if that continues to happen for a long time, your mental health goes for a toss. So I think I'm going to take some time off today, just to myself, not talk to anybody. Just keep walking silently, one step at a time, slow steps, one step, slow step, one step, slow step. And eventually when I get to Ooty, the climate and the mountains will just re-energize me. And partly I can also attribute this sadness towards having to leave from the forest area I was 2 days ago. But life has to move on. I couldn't have lived there for longer. I could have, but I had to move on. So anyways, this is the starting of day 10 of the Flow Yatra. I've already walked around 15 kilometers from Coimbatore towards Ooty. Roughly about 80 kilometers more left. And just when I'm about to reach Ooty, I'll see you again and show you how the highway looks. See you on the other side. If you have any questions, you want to suggest me some places to visit in Ooty, you want to host me in Ooty, you have any questions I want to answer that I can answer for you, let me know. I'll be joining you live very soon. Hopefully Ooty has good network, so we can do a live there and we can go on, you and me, or can go on a one-on-one Q&A. See you guys. Until next time, stay safe.